YouTube. It's your boy, Mr. Drip That Sauce everywhere I go. Mr. Take Your Whole Big Honcho Glow. Let's your cop glow. Get it on back again, the banging video, you know what I'm saying? Now today, we're gonna be reacting to the Lawnmower Challenge TikTok compilation uploaded by my dogs, my favorite channel on YouTube, Strawberry Juice. Y'all know I love Strawberry Juice videos, bro. Y'all know how I feel about one challenge. Y'all for the Matrix, bro. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we lit over here. Smash the like button for your boy because you know this video about to be a banger video. Follow my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. They're gonna be linked in the description and right here to the bottom of the screen. DM me some videos y'all want me to react, or DM me tonight, say what's up. I'm gonna hit y'all back. You feel me? I love y'all. Y'all gang them. Y'all glowing them, phone them. Without further ado, let's start this video. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, this that Malu girl. It's that Malu girl. I think she too young for me, bro. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Would y'all smash her, bro? Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Nah, that motherfucker ain't moving. That motherfucker ain't moving. Look, Asian persuasion. I'm a little too young. I love her. Oh, no, she white girl. Nah. Okay, oh, she thick. She thick. Her name Mrs. Moscato. Oh yeah, she real free. Ooh, look at that motherfucker, look at that motherfucker, look. Oh. Damn! Bruh, I ain't gonna cap, bruh. That ass is gelato on God, bruh. Wow, that motherfucker. She got that slow, wide wiggle. Look at that motherfucker slow, but that motherfucker moving. Nah, I'm passing on that. That's too much booty for me. Ugh. Oh God, no, baby. Throw it away. Throw away the motor. Throw away the lawnmower, baby. Nah, she feeling herself too. She feeling her. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, no. No. Look at her eyebrows, thick as hell. She look like she got one of them unibrows or something. Big ass caliper on her face. I mean, look, she gorgeous, sweetie, but not. Okay, she cute though. She cute though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you. Little cheeks moving though. This motherfucker moving. Look me, you know? No, that motherfucker small, G. She ain't moving none, bro. Oh, she a YouTube. I see the plaque in the background though. Nah, she feeling herself too. She feeling herself. Nah, yeah. Go on, some that done, girl. Come to the motherland. Wakanda forever. You know what I'm saying? That's how you do it, girl. Yo. Bye bye. She got a little song. You know what I'm saying? She built different thick, you know what I'm saying? White girls always like that. White girls is thick and they built different types of thick, bro. Nah, she ain't got none though. She ain't got none. Nah. I'm passing on that, cuz. Look, she look like she Latina. Nah. I'm passing, bro. Nah, bro. I'm passing it to y'all, bro. Oh, it's a pass, bro. It's a pass, bro. It's a pass, bro. Nah. It's a pass. Bro, she ain't no booty at all. What's going on? Oh, what is this? Why her ass look like Candace's face from Phineas and Ferb? There ain't no ass right now. Oh, she fine. What type of cereal she eating? Her broke ass got the regular corn flakes, Lucky Charms, look like some Honey Nut Cheerios or some shit. Her broke ass. like, oh, that tattoo fresh. Ooh, she fine, bro. I'm smashing her. She fine as hell. She fine as hell, bro. Yeah, let me see that long crew that one. Look, somebody watching and shit. Look, her little sister watching. That's a pass, bro. That's a pass, bro. Ugh, why she? Ugh. It's a pass, bro. She got on this 70s wig. It's a pass, bro. Oh God. Oh, it's sundress season. Ooh, mamacita, mamacita, me gusta. Glorico suave, 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 Glorico Suave has entered the chat, you know what I'm saying? Me gusta all chicas, you know what I'm saying? Latinas, gringas, chinas, negras, Honduras, Guatemalas, all that, you know what I'm saying? Me gusta chata sucia. I'm a negro Rico Suave. Don't make it up. My little Latinas. Me gusta 1, 2, 3, go. Let me stop playing, bro. Ooh, yeah. She thick. I'm smashing her, bro. Oh no, it's a pass, bro. It's a pass, bro. Nah, it's a pass, bro. She thick, but it's a pass. She look like a boy. I ain't with the Matrix. Nah. You might be one of them just in case this nigga ain't looking. It's a pass. I'm giving it to y'all, Glow Gang. What y'all doing with her? Y'all let me know in the comment section. I'm passing her. She look up her grades. Ooh, that motherfucker. I'm passing her though. She thick though. Oh God, no, bro. These are the girls that you better niggas be sending money to, bro. I bet she stream on Twitch and shit, bro. These are the type of girls you be sending them like 5 to 10 racks a day just because she look like this, bro. The whole time she ain't shit. But you better niggas sending her hella racks, bro. And this how she get y'all with the cleavage. Weak ass titties, weak ass 34 C's. She thick, but I ain't going. No, girl. But go on, start the engine, girl. You know what I mean? Oh, that's that neat girl. Okay. Me personally, bro, smash the passing neat. I am passing neat, bro. But she cute though. She cute. She look like one of the girls. She could just be my homegirl or something. I ain't gonna lie too. I say that about most girls, but whole time girls gonna go for me, bro. I'm big on some motherfucking Glow, and I always end up going for the girls who I say I don't go for, but they always end up going. One time. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Just test it out. We all got to test it out. You know what I'm saying? There's always that one girl you might not think you smashed, bro. But whole time you smashed, bro. This is one time. You gotta test the waters. You gotta put the big toe in. You feel me? Let me see. We finna see what she about. Come on, Nick. Don't disappoint a nigga, bro. No comment. I'll keep it for myself. I know what I'm doing though. No comment. Oh, we just saw her. It's a different angle though, huh? But baby, guess what? It's still a pass, baby. You tried it. You fine though, girl. You fine though. Oh, she thick. She got some walk. I'm passing her though. She got a tattoo on her booty. I'm passing this white girl. She's not thick, but she alright, bro. She built. I'm passing her though. I'm passing her. She cute though. I'm passing her. It's a pass. Ooh, yes sir. She thick. That's what I want to see right here. And she tatted up. Oh yeah, she fine, bro. I'm smashing her. Smashing her. I'm clapping her. Yeah, girl, I'm clapping her. No, no. Bro, she ain't shaking nothing but back. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? This is monstrosity. What the fuck is this? She wiggling her body more than her damn ass, bro. Look, you done broke the damn lawnmower. You know what I'm saying? That's it for the video. Y'all let me know, comment section down below how y'all feel about the lawnmower challenge. My opinion, I ain't gonna lie to you, I fuck with the lawnmower challenge, but there's a lot of girls in here with no ass, bro. Like that little Asian persuasion girl, she was shaking no ass, bro. She was shaking back. She about to break her damn spinal cord, you feel me? Like, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? But overall, I'm gonna give this video good. I'm gonna give this video a good 8.7. Y'all let me know, comment section down below how y'all feel about this video. You know what I'm saying? But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. More videos like this every single day. You know what I'm saying? I'm uploading for y'all. 10K on the way, 100K on the way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Smash that like button for your boy, because you know this video was a banger. I know you're still watching. I know you hit that like button, so go ahead and hit the like button for your boy. Come on. Come on. I hope you have a peace-wise day, peace-wise night. Tell your girls out the bath water, because we don't do no more. Netflix and chill. She got a fat ass. Tell us how jacuzzi, you dig? I love y'all. Gang.